Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Strammer Max. That's a German dish originating in the 1920s, which consists of an open-faced sandwich with ham or Leberkäse, topped with a fried egg and a side of potato salad. If you're wondering how to make Leberkäse, I will link the appropriate video in the description, and if you want to know how to make the potato salad, there's another video for that. Alright, first thing is you need an egg, you need a slice of ham or a slice of Leberkäse. For the ham, go for a ham steak. It's a very quick dish. We already pre-made the potato salad. It's sitting here. I'm preparing a plate. We're gonna take a slice of bread and the ham and the egg and head over to the stove and fry all these things in a single pan. We're gonna lightly roast the Leberkäse or the ham, whatever you're using. I'm using clarified butter or ghee. If you want an episode on how to make that yourself, leave me a comment. We're on around medium heat. I'm just gonna have a quick slice for dinner. Okay, don't go overboard. We just want it warm and slightly roasted. After a little while, toss in your bread. This is a nice slice of homemade bread. Let it take its time. Still a little bit pale. Oh, the bread is coming along nicely. All right, that will do. Add a little more fat. And fry an egg. This pan wasn't hot enough. Now it sticks. But that's okay. Feel free to use a non-stick pan for this. I like a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of salt, and to speed things up, you can just put a lid on it for a minute. Still a bit runny. Perfect. Ouch. I see you back over for assembly. This is a quick dinner, so it's not a big meal. A nice slice toasted bread. I put some mustard on it. You can use a sweet mustard, you can use whatever mustard you like. This is a spicy brown. Put on your slice of Leberkäse in this case. And here's the fried egg on top. And add a good portion of potato salad. And there you have it, Strammer Max in 5 minutes. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like